So I already mentioned that I don't expect you to spend 3 years building the system like I did. It's already done, but it's still going to take you a while to convert from the Dewey Decimal System to the Monarch method. So I'm going to show you how we use temporary label and signage so that we never had to close our library's doors. It was really important to me that I could watch the kids interact with the books as I was changing my library over, but I still wanted to be able to get the books back to where we were moving them to. So let me show you the signage we use. This orange indicates that it's fiction, because we've talked about that, everything in the library that's fiction. SF means science fiction fantasy. So all those books are over in this section together alphabetically by author. We also have all our dystopian novels, so The Hunger Games, The Maze Runner, Divergent. I don't know how many times I've had a kid come in and say, well, I hate to read. My teacher says I have to read. I like The Hunger Games. What do you have that's like it? Now you can just send them to this section. It really works well for the students. I also put all my supernatural books, vampires, werewolves, zombies, angels, anything that has a magical element is going to be over here. I did put two also my books that are based on video games. We have a lot of backstories for Halo and Assassin's Creed. That really works well. I will say a little note about that though. A lot of those books like Star Wars, Halo, Assassin's Creed can be written by different authors. That does not help the students if you put them by the author's name. So we put them by the creator or the title of the series. So Star Wars books are all under Star Wars. Doesn't matter who the author is, they look under Star Wars. Halo books are all under Halo, H. Same thing for Assassin's Creed. I have two sections over here that are not fiction, however. My paranormal unexplained used to be in the front of my library, which wasn't very useful for it, but all my alien, UFO books, Bermuda Triangle, I don't know if Bigfoot exists, so I'm not going to put a fiction label on it, but I think it fits better over the section, and those readers are going to be over here. And the last part is my witches and magic. Again, I'm not going to put a fiction label on it, but I'm going to house it in this section. The next section we have is real life. So these are the books that are the opposite of that section. Some kids hate that kind of stuff. So real life books like John Green, Fault in Our Stars. So sure, Hazel and Augustus never lived, but it tells the students a lot about what it's like to be a student, to have cancer, to be in love. So we're going to put it over in this section for them. We do temporary green labels just to indicate for us that it needs to go back here. They don't care about that, but it makes sure that it goes back where we want it to be. The teen literature, we have all our GLBTQ books here. We also have our memoirs and autobiographies. So if Caitlyn Jenner, formerly Bruce Jenner, writes a book, it's going to be over here. It's dark blue if it's about Bruce Jenner, Caitlyn Jenner, or it's going to be light blue if it's her story herself.